Welcome to Shop and Blog. I'm doing this video because some of you have asked me how to record both music and voice using the Takara karaoke machine. I'll be demonstrating a method. Using this method, you can record both voice and music simultaneously. You can use this method for other machine like Rock Thunder. I've already done the unboxing for Takara T6112. If you haven't seen that video, check out the link above. For recording voice and music, you will need the karaoke machine, guitar, keyboard, or any musical instrument which uses the 3.5 mm or 6.5 mm audio cable. You will need a PC or mobile for karaoke track. That is, you will need a PC or mobile or a guitar. Just to let you know, this particular Takara karaoke machine supports two inputs and two wireless microphones. So in case you need additional inputs, you might need to check out the Takara 7115. That gives you an option to add one more microphone. In the box, they would have given an aux-in cable which will look like this. So this can be used for playing your music from PC or mobile to your karaoke machine, but when you try to click the record button, it doesn't record anything that is plugged in via this aux-in cable or Bluetooth. But anything that is plugged in via these mic sockets, these two sockets, you will be able to record. So this machine comes with two wireless microphones. You can use them for singing, and if you have a third singer, you can plug in their microphone in, or if you have two musical instruments, you can connect them in. If you have more than two musical instruments or multiple singers, you will have to use a sound mixer and route the output to one of these sockets. In this demo, I will show you how to connect to a PC separately and a musical instrument separately. For connecting to a PC, you will need an audio cable. However, I cannot input this 3.5 mm cable into this, so I'll use a adapter. This is a 6.5 mm adapter. You can plug in this 3.0 mm cable into this, and I'll connect the other end to my PC. As you could see, the machine is very loud, so I have reduced it to a volume that I could listen indoors, and I'm going to play a song and I'm going to record it. But first, let me click on the record button. So I have recorded. I will stop the recording and let's see if we could hear the recording. As you could see, we were able to record using the mic input. So we saw how to record music using PC. The same way applies to mobile or any musical instrument. Only thing is you have to use the right adapter. Also, you could record only using these two sockets, not the aux in or Bluetooth. Also, there is a mic priority button here. In different models, you can find it at the back or on the sides. So the use of this particular mic priority button is if you want your voice to take priority over mic, then you can use this mic priority mode. This mode is useful for worship sessions or you want light background music while you're talking. Try this and let me know if you have any difficulty or questions in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.